He didn't pray for money, but Jesus gave him $10 million anyway. Daniel was a simple man working long hours to take care of his wife and little daughter. Bills kept piling up, his car was breaking down, and he felt life closing in on him. One night, exhausted and hopeless, he knelt beside his bed and prayed, "Jesus, I don't need luxury. I just need help. Show me you are with me." After praying, he felt a strange peace in his heart, like Jesus whispered, "Trust me." The next morning on his way to work, Daniel stopped at a small store. Something nudged him inside. He rarely bought tickets, but today he picked one, almost without thinking. That evening, he sat at the table with his family and scratched the ticket. $10 million. He couldn't breathe. Tears filled his eyes. His wife grabbed his hand. His little daughter laughed, not knowing why. But Daniel looked up and whispered, "Jesus, and you heard me." Instead of spending recklessly, Daniel used the money to help the poor, fix homes for families, and support churches. People asked him, "Why help others?" He always answered, "Because Jesus didn't bless me to keep it. He blessed me to share it." His miracle became a testimony. When you trust Jesus, he gives more than you ask, sometimes even more than you can dream.